Hello, welcome back to my page. So this video is about how I made this very moist and yummy chocolate cake. Just follow me and you will see how I made it. So the first thing is I got my all-purpose flour, and then I added some sugar. So I tried to turn everything, and the next thing is to add my cocoa powder. So, and the next thing is my baking powder, baking soda, which is same thing as bicarbonate of soda, and some table salt. The next is I'm trying to sieve everything because I don't want any lumps in my cake. I want my cake to come out really smooth. So that is the importance of this process that I'm doing now. So I'm sifting all the dry ingredients together. At the same time, I'm trying to introduce as many air into the flour so I could also have a fluffy cake as well. So the next is I'm adding my eggs. I'm adding 2 medium-sized eggs, one at a time, and I also be careful not to add some eggshells in the mixture. Now the next is my cup of milk. That's 1 cup of milk and a cup of oil. It could be any of your favorite oil, but I'm using sunflower oil here. Then the next thing is my vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons. But because I'm using half teaspoon in this video, so I have to make it 4 of it so I could get the 2 teaspoon measurement. Now it's time to mix it. So you could also use your turning stick if you don't have mixer, but if you do, that's very fine. You could just mix it until you achieve this smooth mixture. And remember to scrape the sides of your bowl, because if not, you will not have uniform mixture and your cake may, taste funny. So you scrape all the sides so that you can have smooth cake. Now the next is to pour boiling water. That's 1 cup of boiling water. At this point, you may start feeling like, oh, this cake is too watery, will it come out well? Just trust the process and go by this measurement, and you will tell me how the cake comes out. And now the batter is ready. I'm transferring it to my already prepared pan. I'm using 2 pans here. So I pour the mixture in it, and then I'll be baking it at 175 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. And now my fluffy, moist chocolate cake is ready. Trust me, this cake tasted so nice, and I'll be showing in my next video how I decorated it. And if you have any question, please ask me in that comment box. And thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.